is the Soundpeats Clear, one of the best earbuds around. It was even featured in a Mrwhosetheboss video, and it's obvious why. With its cool clear look inspired by the nothing ear ones, these earbuds really stand out. Plus, they're not just good looking, sound quality is top notch. All the things that came inside the box were the paperwork, the earbuds, USB Type-C cable, spare ear tips which come in small, medium, and large. Packaging is very simple and resembles Apple AirPods packaging style. The Soundpeats Clear is a very unique design that stands out from all of the earbuds. The clear case and earbuds have a very nice look. Wide open, the hinge feels really strong. The earbuds have writing on them that says, "Hear your imagination," which gives it a cool touch. The magnets are very strong and can handle daily use really well. The build quality on these earbuds is surprisingly good. It's very clear across the earbuds. The Soundpeats has put a lot of time and effort into making these earbuds their best. And it's clear that you should go smash that subscribe button. The sound quality on these earbuds are the best I've ever heard for this price. I'm not the only one who thinks this. One of my favorite tech YouTubers, Mrwhosetheboss, said this.
The Soundpeats earphones are the best value earphones I've ever seen in my life.
The Soundpeats Clear has a 12mm dynamic driver that produces crisp, quality audio. These earbuds are very comfortable in the ear and feel as if they're not even there. The included ear tips are very soft and easy to interchange. The earbuds charge with USB Type-C, which has become the standard technology nowadays. They even have touch controls, which I found not that responsive, but for this price range, it's not bad. Use the touch control chart if you want to take a screenshot. These earbuds also have an app, which is really surprising for this price range. The reviews in the app are very bad, but that's for all headphone owners. Here's a quick preview of the app. There's a small light on the earbuds that indicate how much battery percentage there is. You can check it by pressing the small button. This chart shows what the light indications mean. The Soundpeats Clear has a 40-hour battery life with the case, which is surprisingly more than the AirPods Pro. The Soundpeats Clear is one of the best value earbuds out there. I really recommend you get them. By the way, Soundpeats, if you see this video, I think that you should sponsor me. Well, that's it for this video. See you guys next time.